Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. My daughter was asking me for some closed-toed, really cute sandals, and I found these from Qonetic. These are a super cute espadrille wedge that lets her have some style without it being too high. The front part of these sandals is a canvas material, and then you can see the back has that woven jute. Surprisingly, even for being almost 3 inches high, because they have a little bit of a platform as well, these shoes are super comfy. They have a really well-made strap that goes around the back of your ankle, as well as they strap in place securely with the brown strap that you see here. I wore them myself and they are super comfy, and you can see that when you're walking they stay in place, they don't come off, and because they have that closed toe you could wear these even in more inclement weather so that you can be summer ready while being really cute with your footwear. And that's just my point of view.